Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom on any Windows device. In this case I'm using a HP laptop, but the exact same. Go over to an internet browser, in this case I'm using Google Chrome, type in Zoom into Google, and then from there go over to the first organic link, skip all the ads, go to www.zoom.com, press that, and then the downloads tab is right at the bottom here. You want to scroll all the way down, accept cookies, to the download section, press download here, wait for it to load, and then scroll down to Zoom Workplace for Windows, download 64-bit, or any other download link that will work with your device. From there, it basically will start downloading the installer on Google Chrome, and you can see the recent download history right here. So as it is quite a big file size, I will come back in a little second once this has downloaded. So guys, we can see that the Zoom installer has fully downloaded. You want to press this button right here. It's going to open up the downloads folder. From there, what you can do is double tap on Zoom installer, and it's going to download all the files from the internet and actually install on your device. So just give it some time to actually download. Okay. And then from there, guys, we can see that the installation was successful. If you want to automatically keep Zoom Workplace app up to date, tick this and then press done, and from there we can see everything has been successful. It's downloaded on this Windows device. If you want to join a meeting, press this blue button. If you'd like to sign up for Zoom, press in there, or if you already have an existing account, you can press the sign in button and start using Zoom. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.